The Best 5 Resorts in Mauritius, Part 5. The Oberoi Beach Resort. Located along the sandy beaches of Turtle Bay, the Oberoi Mauritius features a swimming pool, spa and wellness center, and fitness center. It is set in 20 acres of subtropical gardens. The luxury rooms and villas are spacious and come with air conditioning, a seating area, and private bathrooms. The villas include a private garden or swimming pool and a dining area. The Oberoi offers a kids club, a library, and evening entertainment. Activities such as snorkeling, windsurfing, and scuba diving are also available. The restaurants serve cuisine ranging from Oriental and Creole to barbecue. The resort is located 12 miles from the Grand Bay and from Port Louis. Sir Siwasagar Ramgoolam International Airport is 34 miles away. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.